on Badr, the night of Badr, look at the numbers. It's 300 plus. They say 12, 13, 14 Muslims. More than 1,000. Now look at the percentage, 3 times. What did they have? Few horses and 70 camels. 700 camels they had and thousands of horses. The night of it. And you have a Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam, and he made his dua to Allah. And this is something we all have to do. And he said, Allahumma anjiz wa'adak. Ya Allah, fulfill your promise. And then he turned to him and says, Ya Allah, if you're not going to give victory to this group, who will worship you on this land, on this earth? And you know the history. Fast forward few years later, and you have Al-Ahzab, the trench. Same story, now even worse. This is even way more relevant for today. Because it was not only Quraysh, it was everybody. Around them, they did the famous trench, and now everybody is coming to them, and they are at siege. Behind them is Medina. In Medina, the Jews in Medina, they absolutely negated the agreement with the Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam, and now they are all in one place. That's what Gaza is now. What did they do? And Allah didn't give them victory day 1 or day 2. How long they stayed in the trench? 1 month. They came to him, alayhi salatu wasalam, said, Ya Rasulullah, we're hungry. It's exactly what you are seeing. They said, we are hungry. And they showed him their belly, and they were literally tying around their belly rocks. What did he do? Alayhi salatu wasalam. He lifted up his shirt, and he had 2 stones, 2 rocks. But then, when Allah planned it and wanted it, and how did they win? How did they win? There was no war in this one. Allah sent the wind. Now you're going to tell me, and I can see, well, I am not a Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam, and I am not the Sahaba, right? But we can be, if you want to be, the real one. وَعَدَ اللَّهُ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا مِنْكُمْ وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ ليستخلفنهم في الأرض كما استخلف الذين من قبلهم وليبدلنهم بعد خوفهم وليمكنن لهم دينهم الذي ارتضى لهم وليبدلنهم من بعد خوفهم أمنا يعبدونني لا يشركون بي شيئا. Listen to this verse. This is from the Qur'an you all read. Allah gave promise to the believers. He didn't give it to the Muslims. He gave it to the believers. Minkum, the special believer from you. And they do good deeds. Is not words. 3 things. You will have the victory on this earth. That's not my words. That's in the Qur'an. Go and read it. 1. And then He will make Islam. يُمَكِّنَنَّ لَهُمْ دِينَهُم. He's going to make Islam strong. He didn't say 1. He didn't give us time. And then He will replace their fear with safety and peace.